Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, compared to the 3-year waiting period between the Xiaomi Pad 5 and the Xiaomi Pad 4, this 1-year break to the launch of the new Xiaomi Pad 6 has passed in the blink of an eye. Unfortunately, given the short period, the Pad 6 feels more like an incremental upgrade rather than a major refresh. This leaves the Xiaomi Pad 6 with some rather big shoes to fill in terms of expectations. But having already achieved a good balance previously, this might not be such a bad predicament. Pegged at just $10 more than the Xiaomi Pad 5, at a glance, the new Pad 6 at $339 seems to have kept all that matters for its prospective buyer, and improved it marginally. The Xiaomi Pad 6 features an 11-inch WQHD+ 2880 by 1800 pixels resolution display at 309 ppi supporting Dolby Vision for a vivid visual experience. While Pad 5 was already pleasing, the new Pad 6 packs a higher resolution and pixel density to flatter you more. It offers a 99% DCI-P3 color gamut for 1.07 billion colors and a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, up from 120 Hz on the Pad 5, for a smooth gaming experience. It is powered by a Snapdragon 870 chipset, 8GB of RAM and either 128GB or 256GB of storage, USB-C 3.2 Gen 1 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, a quad-speaker setup that also supports Dolby Atmos and high-res audio. All of this is kept juiced and running with an 8,840 mAh battery. You'll note that all of this is an incremental upgrade over the Xiaomi Pad 5. Even the processor is just a beefed-up Snapdragon 860 series from more than 2 years ago when it was pegged as an upper mid-range class. While not as popular as a smartphone for photography, the Xiaomi Pad 6 still comes with a 13MP rear camera that is housed in a sizable camera bump and an 8MP front camera. I really don't get the need for the large camera bump, as it's so large that even when using a cover, the Pad 6 can't lie flat. This might be a concern for some of you as well. The front camera can be used to unlock the Pad 6 or for video conferencing. To help with this, the camera is a centered ultra-wide front camera with what Xiaomi calls a focus frame function that automatically adjusts the camera to keep the user clearly in the middle of the shot, making it somewhat similar in function to Apple's center stage. The Xiaomi Pad 6 comes clad in a metallic rear housing that I really like as it is fingerprint resistant. On the rear, besides the huge camera housing, you'll also find the 3 embedded magnets that will hold the tablet in place when the tablet is used together with the tablet's keyboard cover and the normal official cover. The only buttons on the housing are the power button and volume controls, so there is little clutter. Add to this the slim bezels, and you get a very modern looking tablet that would easily satisfy most people. Along the bottom, you'll find a USB-C port with 2 of the 4 Dolby Atmos supporting speakers with the other 2 lined at the top. Unlocking the screen is a simple matter of swiping up from the bottom. What I liked is that depending on where you invoke this, whether slightly to the right, middle, or left, the unlock pattern would pop up there. This is great if you're only using one hand to access the device. There is an option to use facial recognition to unlock the Pad 6, but none for fingerprint use. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.